Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to AT&T Connected Vehicle Services. Detail. Navigate to the section dedicated to connected vehicle services. Once there, read through the information provided about the features and benefits of these services. Click on that button to proceed to the subscription process. You may be prompted to select your vehicle's make and model. Fill in the required information accurately. After entering your vehicle details, you will see the available service plans. Take your time to review each plan and its associated features. Once you've chosen the plan that suits your needs, click on the Continue button. You will then be asked to create an AT&T account or log in to an existing one. If you are creating a new account, fill in the necessary personal information requested. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account. After logging in, you will return to the subscription process. Confirm your vehicle information and selected service plan. Next, enter your payment information to finalize your subscription. Review all the details you've provided to ensure they are correct. Once verified, click the Submit button to complete the subscription. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. Check your email for details about your subscription and next steps. Your AT&T Connected Vehicle Services will be activated shortly, allowing you to enjoy the features. If you encounter any issues, feel free to visit the support section on the website for assistance. Now you're all set to start using AT&T Connected Vehicle Services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.